have an assembled race car that is ready to make some noise, huh, Austin?
Ready.
The car starts real nice.
I'm just real excited.
Real excited. Alright, I'm sitting in the car. We are fixing to warm this thing up, and then after it's warmed up, we're gonna get to go play with some Mustangs and hopefully drive them. So, yeah, let's do this.
That's a new whack right there, bro.
Well, that was fun.
That was a little more whack than I was shooting.
That was enough whack. I'm glad I moved that mask.
Yeah.
Your light's broken.
This one's broken.
Alright, time for a little bit of a shameless self-plug here. So if you look here, just looks like a regular American flag sign we got here on the wall though. What you don't see is that it is actually a gun safe. So you take this little RFID card and swipe it along here. It opens up and you've got gun storage inside. We've got 2 pistols and an AR in here right now, but it is infinitely customizable with what you want to put in there, how much space you want. Additionally, we can customize the front of it, put your logo on there, make it any kind of flag you want. Like I'm planning on making myself a Texas flag one, and just locks back up. And I am selling these, so there's a link in the description down below to my Facebook, and just reach out there. Oh, and by the way, it does this. Let's do some racing. So me and Dad are both gonna go first, and then Austin and Dad, and then I want a chance to go with Dad. But I'm sure they're fixing to come give me a tutorial. We're gonna see about doing a burnout.
Push and hold the traction button over there in the middle. Hold it for 17 seconds.
2, 3.
Well, you'll see it'll say active track comes off.
Get taken to Gapplebee's, Dad! That was cool! I treed him! Oh, that was fun! It was hard to see the tree because of where my GoPro's mounted. Oh, that was fun. I don't know how fast I was going. I was not looking at the speedometer. I hope they give us some time slips. But I know my light is still like at 260 something, but it was like half of Dad's. I looked over and I honestly thought I red lit. That was cool. I want to do Austin now. Oh, brother, that was fun. Although, I will say, Dad knows how to do a burnout in one of these things. I failed twice. Somebody's gonna have to give me a lesson on doing a burnout here. Oh, Mr. Terry to Gapplebee's there.
Yeah, your light was still at 257.
I saw. His was like a 580 though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I want to run you. Somebody's got to teach me to do a burnout. I could achieve the old one-wheel peel in the old Desperado Silverado that we used to have, but 1273 to 1273, I was in the left. I had the slower mile an hour than him, but we're gonna go again, and I'm gonna try and do a better burnout. Austin treed Dad on the last one, so he's going for redemption on this one.
Let's see about that.
Yeah. These things are actually fun. I didn't expect a lot out of these little cars, but they get down.
Did they?
Yeah.
Pretty quick on the response?
Yeah. Ran a 1273.
Oh, that's pretty good.
it. Dad treed me on that one. I'm trying to chase him down, but I don't have a chance. I was not on it on the tree. Damn. I think I read on the scoreboard 630 on the tree. Oh, that sucks. And Dad was like 380. So he was ahead of me the entire way. I had no hope of catching him.
Let's do it.
Pistons up and he's getting to go. See if he can pull off a burnout.
This is weird. Let me turn left real quick. Get your foot right in front of you. 269, that's even better than your light, Kaylin. All right, that's cool. PTGT's got to go.
That is a Terry Haddock burnout.
Oh, get gapped, son.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Damn! Oh, on a hole shot. All right. Austin's going to be talking about that for about a year now.
It's great. I'm going to use that against Terry for forever. And if they want me to run McKailen too, I hope I get him too. Just to have one more leg up on both of them. Take Terry and his kid to Gapplebee's. So I'll take you guys both to Gapplebee's. Bye-bye. Both of them to Gapplebee's.
I am a semi-professional race car driver. I can see him in the mirror.
That was cool. Okay, it was worth it coming here. I didn't know I was gonna get to drive.
Walking out, it is time to go racing. Final round of the Texas Stars over Texas Invitational. Let's do this. And that's on two-time reigning champions right there.